Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Little Bug. Welcome to my cozy cute world. Let me start off with saying I apologize with the way that I look. I am breaking out. I have toothpaste on my pimples. I don't feel like doing my makeup. So this is just how I'm gonna look today. So on today's video, we're going to do a DIY craft day vlog. It is my husband's and I anniversary coming up on Sunday. It's going to be our 7-year anniversary. Can you believe that? We've been together for coming up on 10 years now, married for 7, so I want to make him something. And I looked up on we always do like traditional gifts for each other. So for the 7-year, it is either copper or wool. So I want to make him a cute little wool craft today. What I came up with is that I wanted to do his favorite Pokemon, which is Farfetch'd. He's a little duck that carries a leek and smacks people with his leek. So I'm going to do a felted Farfetch'd, and we'll see what else I come up with. So let's get going on it. So here is my little wool craft cart. I found this basket at Target in the bullseye section for $3, so I keep all my wool bits in there. So we'll grab that and we'll grab all my other tools and get going. All right, so I have everything that I need here. I have my reference pick of Farfetch'd. I have all my wool goodies. I have some more colors here. And I have my needles and the styrofoam too. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it's been probably like, oh gosh, maybe like 5 or 6 months since I've done wool felting. So it's gonna probably take me a little bit to get back into it, but I will film the process for you guys. And these are the buddies I'm hanging out with today. I've been wanting to hang out with my little Target doggo that I got. I love him so much. I have my Bart Bear bag charm, and then I have my Smudge Hippo too. And just to update on Smudge Hippo, I am absolutely loving Smudge Hippo so much. I haven't come to realization that I actually finally have one. I feel like it's gonna hit in like a couple of days. And I wanted to, as far as it goes for his name, I really wanted to call him Taro, but I feel like everyone is naming theirs Taro. So I wanted to pick something else. And with the one that I really like, I picked the one with the longer tail as my cuddle bud. And I feel like his face is just so grumpy, so I wanted like a cute, like grumpy name. So I was chatting with my husband last night, and he is so good at coming up with names for like all my plushies and our pets and stuff. So I was like, what do you think about him? And he goes, what about applesauce? And I was like, I like it, but I'm not feeling it. And he goes, what about pork chop? And I looked at him, and I was like, he does look like a little pork chop, doesn't he? So I think his name is Pork Chop. Maybe I'll call him like Porky or Choppy or something. We'll see what happens in the future, but I wanted to show you guys and tell you guys that his name is Pork Chop. We got Chunky. Did you just meow on camera? Yes! We got a meow at a chunk! You guys, she actually doesn't meow. She just goes, do it. Do it for him. Do it for him. Are we gonna get any? Did you see it? It's just an open mouth nothingness. All right, Chunk, I gotta get to work, okay? I love you. Okay, so I have the base of the body roughly shaped out. I just made a circle, and then now I am going to work on the head. So we are going to attach it like that. So let's get going. Got my little finger protectors. I usually don't wear these, but I'm feeling kind of tired today, so I'm just making sure I don't stab myself. Ow. How did I stab myself right underneath? Okay. And and I will keep going on this, and I will show you guys what it is looking like after I'm done. So this is what I have so far. I have the shape of the head knocked out. I did a little bill on him. And then next I am just going to figure out which way I want to do the body and attach the head on. Right, head is attached, and now I'm gonna start working on, I think I'm gonna do the wings next. Okay, so I made the little wings, which I need to attach, and I also made a little top for his head too. Next, what I'm gonna do, I am going to cover this in his brown coloring, and then I will show you what it's looking like. So I am just attaching the brown for him. He looks like he has a cute little hairdo going on right now. So I'm just working on the face, and I'm gonna work back through the body, and I'll show you what it's looking like after I'm done. So this is what we're looking like so far. I attached the wings. I attached the tail feather. I still need to make a new top for him because I used the top of his head as the tail feather. So I'm gonna get going on that, and I will update you all. This is how my dude is looking so far. Next, I am going to work on the bill and work on his feet and work on the leak too. Here is an update of Farfetch'd. I have his bill on there, and I attached his feet too. He's coming together well. I'm all finished! This is how he's looking, guys. What do you think? Let's see him compared. It's so cute. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, there we go. Wind focus. I'm gonna probably just clean him up a little bit, but I needed to take a food break, so I might go get some munchies in me. Say hi to Biddy. Say hi, Biddy. What do you think about Farfetch'd, you guys? No, we're not gonna eat him. You can just look at him though. Friends, I wanted to show you the card that I made for him too. So it says, "This may be far-fetched, but I love you!" You can pull this guy out, and it says, "Dead out." And I have a cute love note on the back, which I'm not going to show you guys, but I am 5. I hope he likes it. And I ended up putting Farfetch'd in this little master ball that we have, and I have him all wrapped up. Pink tissue paper, of course, you know. The hubs loves pink because of me. I hope he likes it.